Hi there, I'm Kathleen from Lindsay Hill Interiors, and today I want to talk to you for just a minute about this sliding door I have here in my hallway. So I designed this house, and we've been here about 6 months, and when I was designing it, I knew I wanted a color palette of white, black, and wood. And so I used that extensively through the house. You can see I have the wood floors, I have the white walls, I have black windows and some black lighting, black accents. So when it came time to choose a door for this little room, which is a utility room, it's a very small room, I knew that I didn't want wood here because I have the wood floor here. I've got another wood door right here that goes into my pantry. I've got this wood piece here that's in my kitchen. So I didn't want another wood piece right here. So black was the obvious option to me. And because this is a small room and because it's into a hallway, I didn't want a door that would open into this room and take up space. I didn't want a door that would open out to the hallway and be a nuisance to walk around. So a sliding door was the perfect option. So this door from Rustica is called their Mountain French Full Door. And I love it because it fits this space perfectly. It slides beautifully. It closes the door when I want to have that room closed off. But it doesn't block any light because of the glass. So it adds architectural interest to the hallway, it adds that black pop that I wanted, and it still allows the light to come through, so it's perfect. I love it.